Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel, my little crochet world. And in this video tutorial we are going to make crochet letter B. It is very easy pattern to make, doesn't require any assembly, and if you're gonna use same materials as I used, which is 3mm crochet hook and double knit yarn, the height of this letter will be approximately 6.5 centimeters or 2.6 inches. So less talking, more working. Let's start making this adorable letter. And we're going to start with chain of 13 stitches. Let's do our chain of 13 stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. We have a chain of 13 stitches and we are moving to our row number 1. Our letter will be made out of rows, not rounds. So we are moving to row number 1, and our row number 1 will start from the second chain. So we are skipping chain number 13 and we're starting from chain 12, second chain. And we're gonna start with single crochet in the second chain. Now we have only 11 stitches remaining till the end of our row, and we are going to do 1 single crochet in each of the stitch, 11 single crochets in total. We finished our first row, and in total we have 12 stitches in our first row, and we are moving to row number 2. We are going to turn and make a chain of 1 stitch. Then we're going to start with single crochet in the same stitch, and again we're going to have single crochet in next 11 stitches till the end of our row number 2. We finished 2 rows of our letter B. They were quite easy. But now we are moving to row number 3, which will be a bit more complicated. Not very complicated, but a bit more complicated. So we are going to start with a slip stitch in the first stitch. We're gonna skip this last stitch and we're gonna start the slip stitch in the first stitch, like that. And then we are going to do chain of 8 stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We have a chain of 8 stitches. Now we're going to skip 3 stitches here. 1, 2, 3. And we're going to do 2 double crochets. 1 double crochet next 2 stitches. So double crochet 1. And double crochet 2. Now we're going to do chain of 8 stitches again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And we are going to skip 3 stitches here. 1, 2, 3. And skipping these 3 stitches, we are moving to 11th stitch of our row, where we're going to slip stitch our chain into this stitch. There you go. And now we have 1 more stitch remaining, which is 12th stitch of our row. I am gonna slip stitch into this stitch, and there we are. Our row number 3 has been finished. That's how it looks, almost like letter B, unfinished letter B. And we are moving to our row number 4. Our row number 4 will be last row for our letter, and we will be working, we're gonna turn our work, and we will be working into our chains. So I'm gonna start with double crochets in next 2 stitches. Double crochet 1 and double crochet 2. There you are. We did double crochet in our next 2 stitches. In next 4 stitches we are going to make double crochet increase. It will be 2 double crochet into each stitch 4 times. So let's do double crochet increases. 1, 2, increase 1, 1, 2, increase 2, 1, 2, increase 3, 1, 2, increase 4. We did 4 double crochet increases. Now we have 2 stitches remaining till the end of our chain, and we are going to do 1 double crochet in each of this stitch. Come on, let's do our double crochets. 1 double crochet and 2 double crochets. There you are. First half of our letter B is complete. Now we have these 2 double crochets from the previous round, and we are going to do single decrease. There you are. Let's do 1 single decrease. We did 1 single decrease, and now we are moving to another chain of 8 stitches. We're going to start it with double crochet into next 2 stitches. Double crochet 1, double crochet 2. Then our next step will be double crochet increase. We are going to do only 1 increase. It will be 2 double crochets into the same stitch. There you are. We did double crochet increase, and now we're going to do double crochet into next 4 stitches. 1, 2, 3 and 4. We are going to skip all remaining stitches, what we have left, and we are just going to slip stitch into the top of our body. Come on, let's do slip stitch into the top of our body. There you are. And our row number 4 and our letter B has been complete. Everything what we need to do now is to finish it off. If you are going to attach this to a project, I would suggest leaving a long tail, but as I'm not going to attach it anywhere, I'm just showing it to you. I am going to finish it off with cutting yarn off and last stitch. And our letter B is complete. Easy to make, no assembly required, and quite decent size as well. Thank you for watching this video tutorial. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to leave a feedback or any comments on the video below. As well, in the description below you can find a link to my blog. You can subscribe to my blog. You can find the link for written pattern of this letter and any other remaining letters which are on my blog. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel because I will be releasing more interesting and fun patterns. So thank you for watching and see you in my next videos.